The COVID-19 pandemic has definitely been a big blow to the travel industry at large. However, locally, some people believe that it has been a blessing in disguise. I mean, more Ugandans are now traveling the country. What are your thoughts? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Travel with Enoch and Jackie, Season 2. Last week on Travel with Enoch and Jackie, we spoke to an artist about Music Meets Travel campaign. And we tasted the Kenyan Indian cuisine at Sips and Bites restaurant in Bugolobi. This week on Travel with Enoch and Jackie, we look at Uganda as a world of amazing waterfalls, and we still taste more Indian food. You are watching Uganda's #1 travel show on Magic One TV. Travel with Enoch and Jackie runs every Wednesday at 8:30 and repeats on Sunday at 5:30. You can also catch the show online on our YouTube channel, Enoch and Jackie. Please don't forget to subscribe while there. My name is Enoch Ssezibwa, and the fun starts right now.
Sipi Falls Lodge on the foothills of Mount Elgon is a mid-range accommodation facility that offers home comforts while you're away on your safari adventure. Like us, you will enjoy the beauty of Sipi Falls from the incredible views at the lodge. Here's a room tour by yours truly. So this is our beautiful room, eco, organic, and everything that Casa Lodges does stand for. We'll start with the ceiling. It is banana fibers. It's woven in between sticks like a mat. I love the lampshade, the way it was put up there. It's light in here. There's a lot of light. I love that. So we have a large window right by the bedside. You look outside from here and see the beautiful scenery. I love the curtains. You see their light and they let light come in and they match properly with the decor. You know, it's a lot of woods, browns, and whites. The wall. So this wall art is beautiful. It's very artistic. The art going on here, the imitation of trees is beautiful. Of course, the Chikoi curtain here as well. They've put in a lot of thought into giving you an organic feeling, like you're totally out of town. And you know, I've loved Sipi. We're in the slopes of Mountain Elgon. These are lands of my ancestors, so I'm excited. I love the lantern, so we have a bedside there. That is the lantern in the corner. So this is like the focus wall. I love it still. It comes with a lot of detailing. And this is how you get to our bathroom and toilet. So Naki, have you seen the bathroom? It's very nice. It's a rustic bathroom. It's really beautiful. This wood is to die for. The sink doesn't have to be that sink, you know. This is a round one and it's really cute. So always try to work around with shapes when you're doing your decor. Doesn't matter your space. And finally,
you need to see our balcony.
The balcony here.
Those are our neighbors. Hi guys. Hi. Yes, so I'm imagining my morning right here. Very early in the morning, catching the sun rise and all that. Aren't you excited?
I am. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing to our channel, Enoch and Jackie.
Amazing, right? Still to come, our travel experience of the week, the people we meet, and our top place to eat this week.
Uganda's waterfalls are the world's most amazing, beautiful, and breathtaking sceneries. Uganda is a nature-gifted country and the pearl of Africa. Uganda is surrounded by water bodies and most of them characterized by waterfalls. All waterfalls are a beauty to see, but the feeling and experience that you get when you visit each waterfall is different, and this is what creates the thrill. They provide a refreshing experience for visitors and those who want to relax. The waterfalls in Uganda are accessible almost throughout the year, and this is what makes them unique. But they are best seen during the rainy season, since during this time the water levels increase by a large margin. There are numerous waterfalls in the country, and in today's show on Travel with Enoch and Jackie, we highlight our experiences at Wanale Waterfalls, Sipi Falls, which is also known as the world's most romantic waterfalls, and Uganda's hidden culture treasure, Ssezibwa Falls. The Sipi Falls are a series of 3 waterfalls in eastern Uganda in Kapchorwa district. They pick their water as it flows from the slopes of Mount Elgon. Sipi Falls takes the award for being the most beautiful waterfalls in Uganda. A visit to the falls gives you a chance to view the surrounding areas at a high peak and enjoy the view of the place, Mount Kenya and eastern Uganda. There are different activities that you can carry out when you visit Sipi Falls, and these include mountain bike racing, bird watching, and photography. Abseiling down the main waterfall is also another exciting experience for anyone feeling adventurous. Ssezibwa Falls. Ssezibwa Falls is found on the Ssezibwa River, which drops over colorful quartzite rocks before dividing into 2, which gives off a good view. Ssezibwa Falls has quite an interesting story on how it came into existence, which is attached to traditional beliefs according to Buganda tradition. It is believed that many hundred years ago, a woman called Nakangu of the Chibe Fox clan gave birth to twins, one of which was not human as naturally expected, but a twin river named Ssezibwa. Given the deeply imprinted African belief in the supernatural and its significance in the birth of twins in most Ugandan societies, Buganda inclusive, it has been regarded by many societies as visitations of the gods and are actually their physical manifestations, and in others a spiritual benevolent reward. Things to do at Ssezibwa. The different activities that can be done here. Some include boat riding, kayaking, fishing, and many other things. Wanale Falls. Considered a sleeping tourism giant of Mbale by some writers, Wanale Ridge or Hill, home to the Wanale Falls, is just 6 kilometers away from Mbale town. Any visitor to the new Mbale city will see it standing tall with pride and gloriousness. It is such an imposing beauty from a distance. This ridge has had a magical appeal for many. If you have been to Mbale, it seems to be a stone throw away from the new city. It covers a huge portion of Bugisu's land surface, standing at a height of 6,864 feet. The Wanale Ridge can be viewed from all areas in Mbale and neighboring districts. This towering ridge adjacent to Mbale city has glowing stony hills that look like a white sheet. That is why Semeika Kungulu, the colonial agent, described it as a white cock, Nkokunjeru. Although little is said about Wanale, it is worth visiting. The place has had quite unique happenings in history, including the amazing falls. We continue to explore more waterfalls in Uganda in our subsequent travel shows. Thanks for watching.
Hello and welcome to our weekly feature, The People We Meet. Today we are here at Kalanooga Resort, and right here we're seated with someone who is about to introduce herself to you. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Kessia. I'm the General Manager of Kalanooga Resort.
Okay. talking about Kalanooga, why Kalanooga for a restaurant and bar? What does it mean?
It's derived from both of the owners' names, actually. They've taken a bit of the wife and the husband and merged them together to get Kalanooga.
Okay. This looks like a lovely place. It's actually a lovely place. How long has it been around?
So it opened in December of 2019.
2019.
Yes, we had a big grand opening for a comedy store, actually. It was a big success. There was BB Cool and a few other artists.
Okay.
Yeah, and then of course COVID affected everyone, so we shut down temporarily and now we're back up and running.
Okay, so talking about the lockdown, how has that affected you as a business and you as a person?
I mean, of course, lockdowns affected everyone in hospitality in a challenging way. You know, it stopped business for the safety of the general public. But it's good that we're such a big venue. We're 15 acres, so we've been able to open safely and follow social distancing and government procedures. And I think that's definitely to our advantage.
Interesting. So what makes this place unique? What would you say? What makes it unique?
What would I say? It's beautiful. We're on a little peninsula here, so if you're looking around, we don't really have anything similar moving on this coast here. It's a peninsula. It's beautiful. It's surrounded by water. You have water just left, right, in front.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's beautiful. High ceilings, lovely architecture. Live barbecues over the weekend, boat rides. Sometimes we have live music, DJs. We have a Christmas market happening this Saturday. Our Christmas program is a full family buffet. We have a New Year's Eve program with a Jamaican barbecue, face painting, DJs. It's going to be a good festive season here.
Interesting. Thank you for watching. That was our guest of the week, and see you next time.
Thank you.
Located at Plot 3, Wampewo Avenue, the Great Indian Dal, whose name means a roadside restaurant on the highway frequented by trucks, travelers and pilgrims, is well known for these delicious and amazing Indian dishes. We visited the place before COVID-19. Watch.
Hello, welcome to the Great Indian Dal, and I am told it's like Namawojoro, like how you see our Rolex tolls now. That means, oh, okay, there's Wuto, hot, real stuff. So the Great Indian Dal, I am told, means a roadside food store. Now I'm excited. This is Chef Chand. So finally, it's not a sing. Every time I go, I meet a sing. And then of course, we do have the manager.
Yes. My name is Ssezibwa.
Oh, yeah, that's the name. He's actually great with entertainment columns, and now he does review food in the Daily Monitor. Joining us is Andrew Kagwa, this time to review the Indian Dal together. Welcome aboard.
Welcome back.
This steady. So what exactly are we going to cook?
Chicken sizzling.
Oh, sizzling chicken.
I'm putting soap on here. And I'm frying like bone.
Much second. So now the chef has made all these things in 5 minutes in a very short time. Sawa ya kulia. So we're going to go over the table, meet my partners in crime, and of course Andrew and I will be reviewing the food today. So we share with you the experience of the Great Indian Dal. Remember, that means roadside food store. All right, thank you so much for sticking with us and for keeping it locked here on Enoch and Jackie, the series Top Places to Eat in Kampala. Now, we just came from Chef Chan's zone. She showed us so much. Now we're back on the streets. Here, when you come to Kampala, you find Rolex, you find Ebi Wowolo. This here, what we're gonna see, pan puri. Is that what it is? Pani puri. So we're gonna be learning how to taste Indian street food, authentic Indian street food. Now the chef has a really interesting name. It's called The Beasts.
Today I'm going to make India's best street food. That one called is Pani Puri and it's called Ssezibwa.
Pani Puri. Sura yo mwenye gumo. Sweet and sour, but it's nice. So this is our street stall right here at the Great Indian Dal, Wanale Avenue. Everything you expect to get on the street in India and a traditional street down there, my brother is there. Thank you for watching Enoch and Jackie series Top Places to Eat in Kampala, the Great Indian Dal, roadside street food, whatever you want to call it. It's totally authentic, it's totally Indian. And of course, this is AJ, the manager. In every place you find something totally unique to them. And apart from the street food, their naan is awesome, the food and everything is great. But if there's one thing you must come for, at least come for a chicken lollipop at the Great Indian Dal. The food is really awesome. I am yet to taste the chicken biryani. It does look really, really good.
I loved the presentation earlier on. I know people did not see that, but the presentation was super amazing. Yes, I'm loving the whole experience, and yes.
Now, did you know that every Sunday you can come for brunch at the Great Indian Dal? It's right here on Wanale Avenue. Now, what's interesting, it's like unlimited food. All you can eat on a Sunday afternoon for just 37,000. So all you need is to come with yourself an empty stomach and have a good time and maybe a good date, and you have yourself a good meal. Enoch, as always, featuring silently. He's testing the food and enjoying it.
Do you love Indian food? Well, you now know what to do. You have been such a lovely viewer. Thanks for watching. Special thanks out to Sn2-Ep7 Media, our production company, Makizito Uganda, our logistics partner, Africa Runners, our transport partners, and the Val Guide, our publishing department. For more travel content, please visit our website www.valguide.co.za. Cheers, and see you next week on the same channel.